Welcome back to Liz Lifestyle. I know it's been a minute, it's been too many months, and I know some of you have been asking me about chapatis, how to do nice chapatis. So today I'm here just to show you a step-by-step of how I do my own chapatis at home. Welcome. So today's ingredients, I'll just tell you that today I want to use the Saladmaster skillet, this one. I have warmed it up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This skillet, you can use it to grill and do whatever you want to do with it, but today I just want to use it as my chapati warmers. When they come out of the pan, I warm them up here so they stay warm. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this before I start. And then today I'm using the Saladmaster skillet. This is the, how many inches this? This is about 10 inches. And then this is a 12-inch skillet from Saladmaster. So today is all about Saladmaster. So today my chapati ingredients is gonna be 4 cups of flour. So I measured the cups like this. They are heaped. It's not like they're leveled like this. I did not level them. I heaped them up like this. Okay, these are 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So to this I'll add the dry ingredients, which is sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. So these are the standard measurements. I use the tablespoon. So these are 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then salt, I use about 3/4 tablespoons, or 3/4 of a tablespoon, yeah. So I mix in the dry ingredients like so. Then in the dry ingredients I'll add about 1/3 cup of canola oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use olive oil, depending on what kind of oil you like. So that goes in there. And then I've measured 2 cups of water. This goes in here. So this is the standard measurement I use to make chapatis, right? So I'll start mixing the dough. And I have some flour here on the side. This one I'll just use it to roll the dough, or just in case my dough becomes too wet and the way I don't like it, I'll just add some little flour. But I'm not gonna use this flour. This is just in case. Okay, so I'll start by mixing the dough. So my main aim is not to add any flour or to add any liquid into this dough. That way the chapati stays soft. This is how I make the Kenyan chapatis, by the way. So there are many methods of making chapatis, just like there are many ways of killing a rat. So this is my method. I don't intend to use any extra flour. I'll just leave it a little bit to the sticky side, and I don't need to over manipulate this flour. As long as it has come together like so, the dough is done. After the dough is done, I'm just gonna leave it in here. Then I'll wrap it. I'll use this press and seal wrap. And I'll leave it to rest for about 30 minutes to about 1 hour. So I leave it to rest like this. because I just want it to rest. So after leaving the dough to rest, I'm gonna flour my surface. Then I'll start rolling the chapatis. After flouring my surface, I'll just start to roll this. And your chapati should just roll easily, you know, without using so much effort, because if you make a soft dough, it's just going to roll easily. You don't have to struggle so much. If you find that you're really struggling with your rolling pin, just know the chapatis are not soft. So I just roll it like a big pizza, like so. Make sure it's well floured, you know, like so. Then I'm gonna add some oil, not so much oil, just enough oil. I just use the palm of my hand to spread the oil like this. It's easier and it's faster. Then with my pizza cutter, I'll just cut in the middle like so. Then roll it that way. And roll this other one that way. So today I want to make about 10 chapatis. So I'll cut this into 5. Let's see how many chapatis I can do from here. Okay, these ones I made them a little small, so I will just... They don't need to be so even. If you're a starter, don't worry about the size, you know. That's how you learn, by practicing. You learn by practicing. Let's see how many chapatis I can do from here. I'm gonna make small sizes, not so big, not so thick. So today I'm making 9 chapatis. Okay. So I'll just heat my pans, preheat the pans, and I'm using medium heat because when you're using Saladmaster Cookware, it's always on medium heat. Always on medium heat with Saladmaster Cookware. You don't use high heat. You can always use low or medium. So I'll flour my surface again, then roll this. Try to roll it as round as I can. And if you're a learner, even if it doesn't come round, don't sweat about that. With practice, you'll be able to learn how to do round chapatis. And as I said, when you're rolling and you see like you're really struggling, just know your dough was not soft enough. You should be able to roll it as smooth and without so much effort. As I said, guys, don't sweat because this one is not gonna be as round as possible, so you don't have to be so perfect. Just try to make it round. My pan is still heating up. So I like using 2 pans because that way, today I'm just giving you tips of how you can make chapatis in the shortest time possible. The pan is ready. So when you see the bubbles like this, you know it's time to turn the chapati. So flip it to the other side, you know, flip them. At this point, if you don't use oil, you can as well cook them without oil. But today I'll just demonstrate on how you can use very little oil. So I use my pastry brush just to oil it like so. So if you're a person who doesn't use oil, you can as well cook them without oil. Or you can use little oil to your liking. So they're ready to turn to the other side. So I usually like putting my oil in a oil bottle like this. That way it makes my work easier. It's cleaner. I don't have to spill oil as opposed to using a bowl and trying to get the oil from the bowl. And it controls the oil, that way I don't use too much oil. So very little gadgets like this, if you use them, you'll just thank them. So this is almost done. One chapati takes an average of 3 minutes. So this is where my warmer comes in handy. I'll just put them in my warmer so I don't get worried that my chapatis are becoming cool or cold. So that warms them up. So that's it for today, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if it's your very first time to watch this video. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell below so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye and God bless you.